Would you like to create a mobile app? Your website is a great starting point for it. Hi, my name is Lilia Larchenko and welcome to Choiceless App Masterclass. Choiceless App Builder has been used to create dozens of world-class apps, like the Eurovision Song Contest app, Miss Universe app, and the Arsenal Fan TV app. Some sections of these apps have been made by embedding website content into the app. And that's very easy to do with Choiceless App Builder. I'll show you how. Go to Edit your app in the App Builder view. Let's add a web shop into the navigation. Click Edit Navigation under the shop. Select Web and add the web address you want to add to your app. Click Add Navigation. Your web view is ready. Would you like to try it out? Go to choicely.com and start building.